Hi, Bill Knight with RightAngle. Today I'm going to show you how to install our Joy 2.0, our hanging pedestal. Okay, we're going to install our Joy 2.0 hanging file. A couple things I want to tell you about it is it has this cutout in the back. What that's designed for, if you're not using it on a RightAngle product, it will fit many other manufacturers' standing desks. Now, when you're installing this, it's pretty simple. It's 6 screws. Basically, we just turn it over. Once that's done, we want to position it off the front 1 inch. Sometimes you want to just kind of look down the top, make sure it is even. And for the installation, you're going to want to use a power drill with a torque setting and a square drive tip. You can use a Phillips. Now, if you do want to use a manual screwdriver, you will have the drill starter holes for your screws. I'm just going to put one on each side here. Make sure we're still in position. Okay, the screws are installed. All we have left to do is flip the desk over, put the pencil tray in the top drawer, and the installation's complete. Also, I just want to make you aware, there is a grommet on the back of the unit where you can run a charging cord through. So if you want to charge your phone or something inside the drawer, that's something you can also access. That's our Joy 2.0 hanging file. If you have any questions, please contact us at raproducts.com. Please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.